All right, friends, to get started, we need to obviously access the rear area of the engine. To get to that, let's get this right out of the way. There's going to be a 10mm headed bolt straight down right here. Go ahead and remove that. Ours is broken, so we're not necessarily worried about it. After that, we're going to loosen up this clamp and get this right off. Set this aside. To get to the rotor on this, you're going to have to remove the cap. To do that, you're going to find that there's two mounting bolts. There's one on the back side and there's one over on the front side. Let's go ahead and loosen those right up and we'll get the cap out of the way. Okay? Now that both those screws are loose, let's go ahead and get those right out of the way, and then we'll continue on. Go ahead and grab onto that cap, lift it straight up, and then set it aside. All right, so I've got this out on the bench so we have a nice clear view. It's much easier to view from out here. You don't have to remove the distributor to access this. What we do have to do is remove these two screws so we can get this out of the way so we can access the camshaft position sensor. Now at this point, you can see where the two mounting screws are for that. Let's go ahead and remove those. To get to the access point, all you have to do is just get to the front of the crank and go ahead and turn the engine over until this lines up. Carefully lift up on this and remove it from the distributor. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new cam sensor. Let's go ahead and carefully slide this down and in here. Line it up with its mounting holes. Start in both of your bolts and then snug them up. So now you would just put your cap back on there. Something to pay attention to is how close these holes are right here. You can notice these two are a little further away than those. So if you were to look at the bottom of your cap, you're going to notice the same exact thing. That's going to help you align it with the direction it needs to go. Now it's going to be time to get the cap back up on here. Let's go ahead and carefully slide it up and over. Line up your bolt holes and then start in both the bolts. After you get both your bolts in there, go ahead and snug them up and then we'll torque them to 21 inch-pounds. Okay friends, now it's time to get this back on here. Just something I'm going to mention real quick is you're going to have your clamp, and then over on this side you should have that mounting bolt. Ours was broken, so I don't necessarily have the bolt, but I'm just going to go ahead and slide this right on here. Line it up so the mounting bolt's here. Go ahead and start that in. We're going to move along to snugging this up.